Hello everyone, it's me again, teacher Haya from Hải Âu Star. Today we're going to continue our discussion about our previous lesson from Unit 2, Lesson 3. Let's begin. So let's start with the first verb phrase. Go shopping. Go shopping. Go shopping. Go shopping is a verb phrase which means to buy things from shops. To buy things from shops. Let's continue with the next one. Catch a train. Catch a train. Catch a train. Catch a train is a verb phrase which means to get on the train. To get on the train. And how about number 3? Watch a film. Watch a film. Watch a film. It's another verb phrase which means to view a movie. To view a movie. And we are down to number 4. Meet friends. Meet friends. Meet friends. It's a verb phrase which means to see or talk to your friends. To see or talk to your friends. Take photos. Take photos. Take photos. It's a verb phrase which means to use camera to take pictures. To use cameras to take pictures. And we are finally down to the last phrase, number 6. Have a meal. Have a meal. Have a meal. It's a verb phrase which means to eat food. To eat food. This time, teacher will repeat all the phrases again and you will repeat. Okay? Let's start. Go shopping. Catch a train. Watch a film. Meet friends. Take photos. And lastly, have a meal. How about trying a little faster? Go shopping. Catch a train. Watch a film. Meet friends. Take photos. Have a meal. And this time, we are going to learn how to make questions and at the same time, how to answer using present continuous form. Can you still remember how to answer yes and no? Let's start with a singular form. We say, yes, he is, or yes, she is. What if your answer is no? We say, no, she isn't. Or, no, he isn't. But how about if the subject is plural? So we say, yes, they are. And if your answer is no, we say, no, they aren't. One more time. Yes, they are. No, they aren't. And this time, I am going to show you something with corresponding question. We answer together, but I encourage you to try your best to answer as well. Is she catching a train? No, she isn't. She is taking photos. Are they having a meal? No, they aren't. They are watching a film. Is she taking photos? Yes, she is. Are they going shopping? No, they aren't. They are having a meal. And how about the last one? Is he meeting with friends? Yes, he is. And that ends our video for today. Once again, this is teacher Haya from Hải Âu Star. See you again next time. Goodbye.